All right, so today, us and our little puppies are coming to Lick Creek Park. It's in the south part of College Station. We're gonna walk on the trails and have a look around, see if we can find some wild edible plants and enjoy the outdoors. First thing we run into is some spiderwort. And then right here is beautyberry, which the berries are edible, but they don't taste like much. And the leaves can be used as a insect repellent if they're crushed up. Here's some pepper vine. Later it'll have these purple berries that you can make like a drink, like grape juice almost, but you have to use cheesecloth to strain out it has like little calcium shards or whatever, it'll irritate. Look at here. It looks like some wild lettuce. It's about to make flowers, and then the seeds will spread out. A nice, kind of cool, cloudy day. Not too hot. We're on the Yopon Trail here in Lick Creek Park. Little bit of a creek down here. Maybe this is Lick Creek. But snakes love it down there. Of course, with Yopon, you can make tea. Yopon has naturally occurring caffeine. Native Americans have been using it probably for thousands of years for that purpose. Oops, some water coming up ahead. Here's some greenbrier. Some people just say sticker vine. See how it has the tendrils and the thorns? When it makes a nice fat end on it, you can pluck those ends off and saute them like asparagus. Here's some more right here. And also the roots are like a tuber type root, and that can be cut up and boiled and made into like a gruel or a porridge. And looky here. I think this is where Bigfoot lives. Right here in the park. Yeah, there's his front door right there. Kind of a little Bigfoot, huh? All right. Hopefully they'll be sleepy after this. I just looked this up on my map. Picture this, $20 a month. It says it's called Lake Boneset. I know the name, I just can't remember what it's used for. It could be medicinal, for medicine. But anyway, I have to look that up. Boneset. Now we're coming to the end of the trail. The Yopon Loop is not that long of a hike. Maybe it was okay, but they got other trails here that are longer. It looks like right here we got some curled dock. There's an edible plant that cooked the leaves. It's going to seed already. All right, we're back to the parking lot. This is a really nice park. Like I said, it's just south of College Station. Y'all can check it out.